So there's the turbo actuator.
Yeah. So I'm going to see if I can, if it's moving. I'm going to have to make up a piece of wire now so I can grab hold of it.
So what Chris is going to do now is put a tube over there and effectively create a manometer with the pressure inside his own mandibles, which I can't film, but just imagine Harry Seacombe blowing through a straw.
Yeah.
Yes. Oops.
Sack the juggler.
So what are you turning there?
Well, what it is, that rod there is for the variable vanes. You have to move into the rods.
I'm glad Chris is here. I would have never thought of putting a pipe on a turbo actuator and sucking it. Now, Chris has spotted an Dispatcher diesel heater here, which, what does it do?
It circulates the water around the system. In cold climates, what it does...
Oh, it warms up the engine water.
It warms up the engine, so it stays
right.
on.
I wonder if I could tap into that to warm the interior. Chris's lovely wife, Michelle, made me a corned beef pie. And this is how Chris warms up his garage. A battery on a charger. Diesel heater there. Looks like the people who replaced this tyre, you can see where it's supposed to be held up. There's a massive girder in the chassis there, and they've tried to lift the car up here and put a bloody hole through my sill, right where all the rain flies off the wheel. Oh, I got the diesel heater warming up my little... Oh, there it is. Oh, that's lovely.
So much.
Oh, yes. Michelle, if you're watching, this corned beef pie is spot on. This'll fill me up all day. Oh, yes. And look what Chris has got in the back of his van. Shower. And he says when he gets too filthy in the back, he just throws out the carpet and puts a new one down.
Because they get fucking stick in the dump.
Is it alright?
Yeah.
Good.
We'll see.
Oh.
It's down slightly. So we need a little bit.
Not much. It's very good though, isn't it?
Really
for its
good.
age.
Yeah.
20 years?
Yeah, we'll top up the antifreeze now. I can see that it's down a couple of mil.
So I got 2 subscribers in the garage at the moment. Obviously, Chris Lewis, who gave me the Champagne Galaxy, and there's Dino here, who said I should have taken the passenger seat out like I did in the Pug Palace. So hello to both of you if you're watching this later, and hello to you now in person, off camera.
Yeah, get him on there. Get him on there.
No, he said no.
You can pick a name up.
Go on then, Dino.
Yeah.
Go on, Dino. There he
Tim.
is. Thanks for watching, mate.
No problem.
And comment some more. Now I know who you are.
What name are you going to give him?
Well, he's Dino, whatever name he uses.
Does he look like someone? Does he look like someone?
I know, but dare I say it out loud. God, there's so much light reflecting off Dino's head. Right, let's look at this diesel heater. Wants 2 kilowatts, perfect.
Is it double, what's it like?
Double skinned? Or do you reckon that's a single skin tray there?
Well, we can cut around the carpet anyway, can't we?
Yeah.
I think it's just single there.
Single skin, that's perfect.
So we can go anywhere there.
You've got a beam
Yeah.
going across like this.
Oh, there's a chassis beam, right. Gotcha.
How back can we go?
You can't hold it there with the
Tow bars.
And Dino's spinning the drill now. Yeah, it's through. So he's now drilling one of the corner guide holes for the steel template. And Chris is very proud of his bog. Look at that, he said that is the cleanest toilet in South Wales. In a garage. Oh, no warning that time. Oh look, we got a little robin onto the Champagne Galaxy. So sweet. Scalpel. We can rebuild this van. We have the technology to put a diesel heater in a Ford Galaxy. The $60 van. Now Dino's peeling the carpet up because we don't need that to get burned. Oh wow, lots of insulation, that's reassuring, but also a pain in the ass for this particular project. There we are, down to the bare steel now, where Dino has drilled a couple of holes through. One corner piece and the fuel pipe. I could have this missing piece of carpet as a prize in a future mastermind. No, I'm not. Right, there's one of the kit bags. And there's the one with the screws and bolts in. Yeah, that's what we want. 2-inch bolts.
Right.
God, Dino's got wedged into that tow bar there. Amazing, he gets under there at all.
If you just put the net on it now and hold it. Right, time on your next one.
Go on then. Oh.
Dino's going back under to thread those nuts onto the bolts to the one through the chassis. We need to flatten the corrugations down to create a more even work surface. Right. Does that look good? Well, what a beautiful job, Dino. Oh, hang on, little rainbow break. Sorry, Chris, very important. Oh, that's perfect. And God promised the earth that he would never flood it again with sodomites. Now Dino is fitting the exhaust pipe with silencer. This would make a great piss bottle.
This one's going over there. What I had outside in my caravan.
Sweet.
Still wants more.
I said 5 inches, but of course, Chris thinks 5 inches is this much, don't you, Chris?
Yeah.
Nice. Now Dean is very kindly putting the exhaust and air intake for the diesel heater down under the chassis. There is a handy 12 volt outlet right where I need it. Chris is modifying a fag lighter socket to give us power to crank the diesel heater up.
What do you want me to do?
And then Chris is going to... Chris has delegated me to use the connector block to connect the live and earth of the loom to the power input. And there'll be people who say, oh, you don't want to do it like that. You want to solder it and put it in here. To which I say, shut up. Unsubscribe. Thank you, Dino, for all that work you did under the chassis. That was much appreciated.
I'm not a fitter, but I've done my best.
You did very well. Thank you very much.
Cheers, man.
Have a safe drive on your quad bike without your crash helmet.
No, I'll put that on.
I think he deserves the piss bottle for that.
Yeah, Dino.
Go on, give it to him.
Dino.
What's that?
Give him the piss
This
bottle.
is your present for... you're all right, you sure? This is a valid prize, my God. People just don't want it. I don't know why.
So will you stop tonight now, Tim?
It doesn't matter, I've got a camper van. I can stop wherever I want, Dean. Yeah.
I wish I could fucking do what you did.
Oh, yeah, breathe in the jealousy, everyone. My life is so good. Life is so good, I had to be given a bloody van to sleep in. That's how good my life is. And there it is, pointing away from where the open window that I breathe from will be. And there's the meat of it there. Air intake. The fuel will be done soon. And there's the exhaust tied up beautifully. Tidy. Look at Chris reading the instructions. Pause if you're interested.
Right, so what are you going to do now, right?
And now the pipe that goes between the fuel pump inlet and the fuel tank is about to emerge.
Put you back on that.
Yeah, lovely job. Oh, bye.
No, I want to...
Oh no, you've damaged the housing of the tail light.
Oh no.
Unnoticeable. Filter, there'll be an arrow on there to say which way it goes through.
We're going to warm these up a minute.
Preheat the rubber to make it easier to put the fuel pipe in. Yeah, Dean, fantastic job, mate. Fantastic job. There's the fuel pump, air intake, diesel outlet, and the wires that control it. Wonderful.
What I would do up, Tim, the wires are going through the floor and up.
Yeah.
Maybe put a bit of silicone or something.
Oh yeah, just stop the spiders getting in or something.
Not so much that. Stop the pipe moving around and rubbing against the metal and making a hole in there.
Good plan. Safe journey home, Dino. And thanks for wearing the beanie so the glaze off your head didn't dazzle me when I was filming. And don't forget, children, when you drive your quadricycle, always make sure that you have gloves, completely covered arms and legs, and most importantly, a crash helmet. Checking power, working. Lovely to see it. Thank you, Chris. So, we're going to put a test fuel line down here now. And then test whether it works. So you can hear the pump ticking quickly now. The procedure is fan check, the sweet smell of success. I can hear it now. Well, thank you, Chris. I'm up and running with a diesel heater.